On today's devlog I would like to show you a little project that I've made trying to build a markup language, or not quite a markup language, more like a templating language. I had this problem on my wiki that I wanted to have dynamic content displayed inside static content. So I would have things like this, and then I would say page title, and then that would print page title. But it was not quite powerful enough, so what I did is that I created a small, very tiny programming language that allowed me to do more complicated templating. And I'm going to show you how it works. So it's called mute, and you declare it with this mute tag thing, and you close it like this. So in this block we'll be able to throw in a bunch of mute script stuff. So if we were to display the page title, for instance, I'll show you how that's done. In this case I'm just going to change bracket style. So in here we can display the page title. So to do that, just make a bunch of lines so you can see what we're doing. Mute allows you to throw in a bunch of data through its prefill array that is declared right before it's instantiated. So for in this case we'll just do title and demo. So if we do I don't know, print, or it doesn't have to be print, it can be basically anything. We're gonna have, well, I guess it's already accessible, so we're gonna get it like this. To access prefill data, just type mute the title, and that should display page title in here. Demo. So yeah, so at this point I had already what I had before, so what I wanted to add more was like conditions and conditionals and more interesting things that's like string replacements and loops and things. So I'll show you how to make conditional. So conditional in mute is like this. You don't have a if. Well, you could do if, but the starting string is actually the name of this function. So here it's called print because I didn't have a better name, but it could be anything else. So if you wanted to, you could call it if. It would look just like an if statement, even though it doesn't really matter if it's there or not. So we're going to check if the title is actually demo, otherwise it will not display. So if we do title demo, if it's demo 1 for instance, it should not display. Okay, so with this I was able to display dynamic content. We can make more interesting things, such as loops. Loops